morning everyone. So today I thought I would do a what I eat in a day, because as I was thinking about what I was going to make for dinner and what I was making for breakfast, I thought it would be a good day to share with you guys. So that's what I'm doing. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of that upcoming content. So first I'm just going to make an acai smoothie. Not a smoothie bowl, I'm just going to make a smoothie so that both Marcus and I can drink it, because he's over there eating some toast, but I want him to have some fruit too for breakfast. So I have an acai packet that I've already defrosted and kind of broken up, and I'm going to put it in my Vitamix along with some blueberries, fresh strawberries, and then a banana. I wish that all of this fruit was frozen, but it's just going to have to do like this. And I'm really excited to try these. This is Trader Joe's unsweetened organic acai packets, and there are 4 of them in a package, and they were only $4.49, which acai is usually really expensive. Here is my smoothie. I don't have a real straw right now, so I'm using this plastic reusable one for my water bottle. And here is Marcus's smoothie. He's really excited to try it, so let's see how he likes it. Oh yeah, you have to take that out, honey. He loves smoothies. This is such a great way to get him to eat fruit. Is it good? Do you like it? Well, he hasn't come up for air, so he must like it. Is it yummy? Yeah? Okay, I think that's a yes. It's really good. It's more like a smoothie that you buy at the store, because my fruit wasn't frozen. And I only added a little bit of apple juice, maybe a quarter cup, and it's plenty sweet enough. I have 2 bananas, a handful of strawberries, a handful of blueberries, and the acai packet, and that is absolutely it, and it's really yummy. I'm having a smoothie, and it's snowing outside. Okay, so it's now lunchtime, and I'm going to make some scrambled eggs with wilted spinach and feta cheese. I usually have this with toast, and Marcus likes it too, but we're out of toast today, and I don't think he's quite hungry yet, because after his nap he did eat a blueberry muffin. He brought the whole plate out to me, and it was so cute that I had to let him eat one. Usually he doesn't snack between breakfast and lunch, because it's only like a 3-4 hour gap. So he usually waits till noon just fine. But it was just so cute how he brought the whole plate out to me, and he didn't spill any of the muffins, luckily. So I had to give him one. So I have my eggs here. My spinach usually I use fresh, but this is frozen because it started wilting, so I threw it in the freezer so I wouldn't lose it. And then I have some feta cheese, and I'm going to get to whisking my eggs. So, in my eggs, I just put a dash of pepper and a pinch of salt and a little bit of milk. And now I'm going to fry them in my pan in some olive oil. Just gonna spread my olive oil around. And I like to cook eggs with this rubber spatula best. I don't know why, it just seems to work for me. So my skillet is now all the way heated up. I'm just going to dump my eggs in. Around a little bit, and I have 5 eggs, but that's because my mom is gonna eat some, and Marcus will also have a little bit. And I like to just keep like scraping around the bottom until it all sets up. I don't know why, but that's just how I like to do eggs. And right now I'm gonna add the sprinkle of spinach, and you can add quite a bit. It tastes really good in this, even though I'm not a huge spinach lover. And the frozen wilty stuff is fine because it's just gonna get wilted anyways. So I'm just gonna keep mixing that around until it sets, and then just before it's done, I'll add the feta cheese. Okay. That is almost finished. I just flipped it all over. So now I'm gonna add the feta. Just a little bit. Just gives it a nice bite. So yummy. And there's my lunch. I usually make this with 2 eggs if it's just for me, or 3 if it's for Marcus as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try to eat this without dropping any on little baby Chloe, who's sleeping right here. She loves the moby wraps so much. Okay, it's a little bit of a big bite, but it won't break off with one hand. It's so good. I love the feta in it, and it's just a good, quick, healthy lunch idea. With a piece of buttered toast, this is delicious. Oh, and I also do this for breakfast. Quiet. Marcus is playing over there. I do this for breakfast a lot too. It's really good. Hey guys, it is now 10 minutes till 6 o'clock, and I'm really late starting dinner because Chloe needed to be nursed. So I just finished feeding her, and I'm about to start my spaghetti squash au gratin, or gratin, however you want to say it. I think it's more French if you say au gratin. Au gratin. Anyways, my recipe is from Pinterest, so I'll link it down below so you guys can go ahead and make it. So I have it here on my phone. I'm not really going to talk through this one with you guys just because I am in a pretty big hurry, so I'm just going to start the camera and speed it up. It doesn't say to do this in the recipe, but I'm just adding about a teaspoon of olive oil to each spaghetti squash to just season it with salt and pepper and olive oil. While everything is cooking, I have the spaghetti squash in the oven. I thought it would take a couple seconds to tell you the substitutes that I'm doing because I always do that with recipes. I have the chicken cooking in the frying pan because, like I said, I'm running late. I need it to cook faster, and so I didn't have it in time to put it in the oven with the spaghetti squash. And there's Marcus. And then also, I don't have Greek yogurt, so I'm using whole plain yogurt because that's what we had in the fridge. And instead of putting it back into the spaghetti squash shells, I'm just going to put it in my casserole dish because I think it will look a little bit more like a dinner because that's our main course for tonight. So here is the spaghetti squash au gratin. I took Marcus's out and put it in the freezer so it could cool down faster before we eat it. These are some 30-minute rolls I made while the spaghetti squash was cooking. I decided we needed a little bit more for dinner than just that. They don't look too pretty, but they are really soft, fluffy rolls. I just made them in a hurry, but I'll link that recipe down below because it's a great quick roll recipe. It's really simple to make. And then also as a green, I have some frozen peas that I just heated up in the microwave with a little butter and a little salt. And that's our complete meal, and we're about to start eating. Anyways, that's the end of my what I eat in a day to go along with my in-season fresh fruits and vegetables. So let me know if you guys liked it and want to see one each month after I do that video, and I'd be happy to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is the next morning, but I wanted to show you guys because it's another really super healthy breakfast. Marcus just loves blueberries and he loves dates, but usually he doesn't eat chopped up apples, except for I've given him some almond butter, and he loves anything that we say is dip. So that is how he eats his apples and all of this. He just loves almond butter and dipping into it. So I thought I would add that bonus meal because it's a really healthy breakfast that he loves. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.